everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today I have an awesome thrift haul for you guys. I have 15 items that I bought at the thrift store for spring/summer to sell on Poshmark for profit. So I'm going to be sharing these with you guys. I found some really great stuff, some great spring trends that you guys can see and kind of learn and look for these things at your local thrift stores. Before we get into the haul, question of the day: what is the best thing that you have found at the thrift store lately? I love seeing and hearing all of the items that you guys have found, so let me know in the comments below. Also, I will link my thrifting group. It's a Facebook group where you can share your thrift finds. I will link that down below as well, so you guys can kind of join it and share your pictures with each other of the things that you find at the thrift store. You can share things that you find to sell or just weird things that you see at the thrift store. I love to see them, but comment down below and let me know the best thing that you have found recently. So let's get into the haul. First thing I bought are these really fun soft surrounding pants. They are kind of a skinny ankle cropped pant, and then this is the tag for soft surrounding. Soft surrounding stuff usually sells pretty quickly for me. They are a petite size, petite extra small. Again, I don't leave things behind based on size, just because everybody needs clothes and I have sold clothes of all different sizes, so definitely don't leave stuff behind because of sizes. But these are just the cutest print, really bright floral print. They have pockets on the back. They are also very high-waisted and they are stretchy, so people really like these kind of pants, especially the high-waisted is super on trend right now, so definitely look for the high-waisted. And then soft surroundings is kind of known for their comfortable clothes, so these are elastic, which would be super comfortable to wear. Next is this Free People top. Let's see here, it is a size medium, if this will focus. There we go. It's kind of like a poncho top. It could be worn like this, or it could be worn off one shoulder or off both shoulders, but it is very loose fit. Free People is kind of known for their oversized fit of stuff, but it honestly feels like a sweatshirt. It feels super comfortable. Again, you have to think about the comfort of things also when you are buying them. For example, I usually don't buy sweaters and things that feel itchy to me, because I know if it feels itchy to me, then someone's probably not going to want to buy and wear something like that. So I try to pick up things that I would consider comfortable, and not everything's going to be comfortable, but when I find things like that, I definitely feel like people are more likely to buy things that they're going to be comfortable wearing. Next, I found this really cute lace Prana top. Prana is kind of known for their outerwear, but I was super excited to find this. It is very cute for spring. It has kind of this layered ruffle detail at the bottom, but it is kind of an eyelet lace look. It is a little bit see-through, but it is very cute and feminine for springtime. If you are having trouble learning what to source for springtime, for summertime, things like that, definitely pick up my sourcing guide down below. It is full of information. I have multiple of them. I will link them all for you. It teaches you kind of what to prioritize and what to look for in terms of different types of items and different types of trends and things like that. It teaches you exactly how to source for items to sell on Poshmark. So definitely pick that up if you are just starting out, or you need help with sourcing, or you feel kind of lost in terms of what you need to buy to resell. Next, I found these really cute American Eagle shorts. They are kind of a mid-rise. Yeah, so they are called High Rise Festival. So you want to take into consideration that festival season is coming up and people love to buy really boho looking things like this for festival time. You know, Free People is another great brand that's really popular during festival season. Lots of lace, lots of crochet, lots of knitwear, things like that. So definitely keep an eye out for festival type items. But I just thought these were really cute. They have the distressing over here, and then they have the lace underneath that kind of hangs out like the pocket would hang out. I just thought this was a really, really cute detail. I don't always pick up American Eagle shorts, but I just thought these were just adorable. Next, these are a men's item, but they are Vineyard Vines, size 36, just their basic shorts. These are really popular with the guys, especially here in the South. Just basic pink shorts. Really great for spring, Easter, things like that. People love to wear those kind of things at the golf course too. Next, I found this really cute Zara top. You can see, I guess it could be kind of a tunic. It seems really short to be a dress to me, but I guess, you know, to each their own. But it is Zara woman, size large, but I just thought this was really cute for spring with the lace and the flowers. I love this floral print. It's kind of like antique looking, but just a really, really cute floral top. Next, I found these really cute Steve Madden slip-on shoes. I love the detail at the bottom. I love the color of these. These are just so cute for spring. I just love finding shoes like this, especially in muted colors, neutrals. Also blush pink is really good to pick up. But I just thought these looked super comfortable. They are not my size. If they were my size, I would be keeping them. But I'm really excited to list these on Poshmark. Next, this is an Anthropologie brand. This is Pilcrow and the letterpress. They are mid-rise skinny jeans, size 27. And they are just such a fun print. I could not leave these behind. I normally do not buy white pants at thrift stores just because there's always some kind of stain or something that I'm gonna miss, but I just absolutely love this print and I could not leave them at the thrift store. Didn't see anything wrong with them, still don't see anything wrong with them. Here's the back, but they are just so cute. I'm excited to list these for springtime. Next, this is a really cute plus size Lucky brand top. It's a really adorable floral print, very boho, very flowy. It is kind of like a 3/4 sleeve, but it's very lightweight, more of a transitional piece into springtime. But the plus size Lucky brand clothes usually sell really well for me. Next is this really cute Lilly Pulitzer top. I thought this was a really cute print. It's sort of retro, like 70s looking. If you look at it, they have like these, you can see it better on the back, but it has little lizards on it, which I thought was really cute. Very unique. Just your simple, basic, casual, or I guess you could also wear this to work, button-up shirt by Lilly Pulitzer. Lilly Pulitzer prints are very popular for spring, so definitely keep an eye out for them. Next, I found this really awesome t-shirt. It's tie-dye. It is from Disneyland. I thought this was just adorable. Disney stuff is really popular, and then the tie-dye print, I thought it was just amazing. It has been washed a little bit, but it's still in good condition, so I picked it up. Next, really cute Fredericks of Hollywood lace bra. I just could not leave this behind. It's in excellent condition, and it just has really cute colors and really cute lace. Fredericks of Hollywood is a brand that sells pretty consistently for me, especially if you can find it new with tags. They make pajamas, lingerie, corsets, things like that, but I always pick it up when I find it. It's pretty popular. Next is this Free People Intimates pajama top. I just thought this was really cute. You could honestly wear this with shorts and you wouldn't even know that it's a pajama top. But I just love the color and the print on this with the lace. It is absolutely gorgeous. I could not leave it behind, and I will show you what the tag looks like for Free People Intimates. I'm sure they have different tags. They have like 1,000 different tags for Free People, but that is what the tag looks like on this one. Next, I found this really cute Kaby top. Just a really adorable floral print that you could wear by itself. You could wear this under a jacket, under a cardigan, wear it to work. Really, really diverse piece. Kaby has a very loyal following, and it is great quality for their clothes. So people really like this brand. This is the new label of Kaby, so I usually try to stick to the new label Kaby. I will make exceptions sometimes and get the old label, but you want to look for this label to get the recent styles. Next, I made an exception and I bought a skirt. I don't typically pick up skirts, but this is a really cute Nike golf skirt. I just love kind of that picnic gingham print. I thought it was really bright and pretty for springtime, and this is the Nike Golf logo. It feels really nice, it feels really comfortable, so definitely pick this up. Nike Golf stuff usually sells pretty well, the men's at least. I don't normally pick up the women's polos, but the skirt I thought was really cute and I thought it would sell, so definitely pick that up. Okay guys, that's my video for the day. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the stuff that I found. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.